Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations: x plus y equals 8 and xy equals 8. So let's see solution from here. So from this, there are two sets of equations here. So suppose we consider from equation 1, which says x plus y equals 8. Then I want to form new equation here. Suppose I make y the subject here. We have y equals 8 minus x. So this is another new equation. Then when we consider from 2, equation 2 says xy equals 8. Then so from this equation 3 we form, we are going to replace y here, which is 8 minus x, in the preceding equations. Then here becomes x into bracket of 8 minus x equals 8. And then we try to open this parenthesis with this x. So x multiplied by 8, that gives us 8x minus x times x, that is x squared, equals 8. And then, so let's try to rearrange this. We transfer this here and we have minus x squared. So here is plus 8x. Then here is minus 8 equals 0. So having this, we have this negative here. So since this is a quadratic equations, we have to multiply throughout negative. So to avoid having negative here, so we multiply through by negative. So by doing that, we have this like this, then we multiply it by negative. So by multiplying out by negative, we have this as positive x squared minus 8x plus 8 equals 0. So we now have a full quadratic equations. So let's try to solve this. So here, let's say here is 8. Suppose I divide this 8 by 2. So I'm going to have it as 4. Then I'm going to square that 4, then add and subtract here. So at this we have x squared minus 8x plus 4 squared. Then I'm still going to subtract minus 4 squared. So plus 8 equals 0. Then, so if I combine these together, so when I combine this, so what we are going to have here is we take x and 4. So by taking x and 4 with negative, we have x minus 4. Then I'm going to square it. So when we take our time to expand x minus 4 squared, we get x squared minus 8x plus 4 squared. And here is minus 4 squared, that is 16 plus 8 equals 0. So having this, then we proceed by writing x minus 4 raised to power 2 minus 16 minus 8, that is minus 8 equals 0. Then let's take 8 to that side, or before that. So we can see this as, if this is x minus 4 raised to power 2 minus, so we can call this one 4 multiplied by 2. Okay, so 4 times 2 equals 8 and everything equals 0. So what I wanted to do here is, suppose we have 8. So 8 here is the same thing as 2 square root of 2 squared. Because, so if you take 2 squared here, then we also have square root of 2 squared. So 2 squared is 4 multiplied by, this cancel this, we have 2. So 4 times 2, this gives us 8. That is 2 root 2 squared equals to 8. Then if I replace it at this stage, so what we have here is x minus 4 raised to power 2 minus 2 root 2 raised to power 2 equals 0. Then this is just like difference of 2 squared. So, and it says we add and subtract. So that is x minus 4 minus 2 root 2. Then also we have x minus 4 plus 2 root 2 equals 0. So that is difference of its 2 squared. Then from here, we can simply have this as x minus 4 minus 2 root 2 equals 0, or we also let this one equals 0. So by this, we have our x equals, we transfer 4 here and we also transfer 2, that is 4 plus 2 root 2. So that is one of the value of x as 4 plus 2 root 2. And also for the other part, so when we transfer that one as well, what we have here is, and also for this one, we are going to have this as x equals 4 minus 2 root 2. So these are the two values of x. So for the first one, we have x equals 4 plus 2 root 2, and this is x1 and this is x2. And to obtain the value of y, so we consider from equation 3, which is y equals 8 minus x. By this, we substitute x1 into this. So for y1, so this equals 8 minus x1. So we input the value of x1. So we have y1 equals 8 minus, open bracket, so 4 minus 2 root 2. Then our y1 here equals 8 minus 4 plus 2 root 2. Then we have our y1 equals 4 plus 2 root 2. And also for every y2, this equals 8 minus x2. And we substitute the value of x2, which is 4 plus 2 root 2, into this. We have y2 equals 8 minus 4 plus 2 root 2. Then we expand this and we have y2 equals 8 minus 4 minus 2 root 2. So into here, we have y2 equals 4 minus 2 root 2. So this is the value of y2, as we get the value of x2 as well. So when we bring them together, so we have here as our x2 equals 4 plus 2 root 2. So they are in opposite to each other. So as when we consider y1 with our x1, so we see that they are also in opposite to each other. So this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.